Well, hello viewers, this is Kajol Sinha and at present I am in Chandmari where we are witnessing 14th East Himalayan Trade Fair and the first East Himalayan Agri Expo. So let's have a look. আপুনি কি কি প্ৰডাক্ট সেল কৰে?
মোৰ মেইনলি মেখেলা চাদৰে হয়, হেণ্ডলুমৰ হয় গোটেইখিনি। বেলেগ আৰু তাৰ লগতে আনুষংগিক কিছুমান গামোচা, ৰুমাল বা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হেণ্ডমেড এনেকুৱা জেকেটবোৰ ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল যিবিলাক ৱাছকোট থাকে সেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰবোৰ বিক্ৰী কৰোঁ।
আপোনাৰ এটা টিম আছে নে আপুনি নিজেই কৰে?
মই নিজেই কৰোঁ।
আপোনাৰ নামটো জনাব।
অৰ্জুন বৰ্মন হয় মোৰ নাম।
আজিৰ ষ্টলত আপোনাৰ প্ৰডাক্টৰ বিষয়ে আমাক অলপ ক'ব।
আমাৰ এই স্পেচিয়েলিটি আছে আমাৰ মহ খেদা ধূপ, মানে এইটো অৰ্গেনিক হয়। আপোনাৰ মহ, মাখি, পঁইতাচোৰা, পিপৰা, এই লাইটৰ ফক চক যে উৰি থাকে এইবিলাক চব গুচি যায়। এইটোৰ দাম আমি এনেও 150 টকা কৰি বেছি আছোঁ এতিয়া। এনেও আপুনি যদি হ'লচেলত লয় তেতিয়া আমি ৰেট কমাই দিওঁ। আৰু ইপিনে আৰু আছে পূজাৰ ধূপ আছে, নৰ্মেল ধূপ, আৰু এইটো আছে আপোনাৰ ধূনাৰ 500 গ্ৰাম আছে আপোনাৰ 450 ষ্টিক প্লাছ আপোনাৰ 100 টকা দি আছোঁ বৰ্তমান।
এইটো আপোনাৰ এই ব্ৰেণ্ড নে?
হয়, আমাৰ নিজৰ।
আপুনি গুৱাহাটীৰে নে?
নহয় নহয়, মই বৰপেটা ৰোডৰ হয়।
আপুনি আপোনাৰ ব্ৰেণ্ডটো কেতিয়াৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছে?
আমাৰ ব্ৰেণ্ডটো ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে 2005 পৰা আৰু ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কৰিছোঁ 2010 ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে। আমাৰ এই ধূপৰ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰী, বিভিন্ন জাতৰ ধূপ আছে, চেণ্ট আছে, আপুনি যি লাগে চব পাব, মানে A to Z ধূপৰ মানে।
আপোনাৰ এক্সপেক্টেশ্যন কেনেকুৱা এই আজিৰ এক্সপ'ৰ্ট, ট্ৰেড এক্সপ'ৰ্ট?
ভাল।
And at present, I am with Rumela Roy Das, who is the Regional Manager of India Trade Promotion Organization. So, ma'am, welcome to Business Notice.
Thank you.
We are pleasure to have you on our show. So, could you give us a small gist regarding today's event?
Basically, ITPO is under Minister of Commerce, Government of India. Our headquarter is Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, where G20 has been hosted. And I'm from Kolkata office. I'm regional in charge at ITPO Kolkata. We are doing this fair in Guwahati for the third time. This is East Himalayan Trade Fair, which is basically keeping in mind Government of India's thrust on Northeast region, connecting with pan-India business opportunities. That is a basic mission of the whole affair. And for the first time, we are launching East Himalayan Agri Expo. That is also keeping in mind the region has such a vast and vibrant agri opportunities, which is we should have a all India connectivity so that everyone gets benefit. That is the main purpose. And our another very strong sector is the MSME sector. MSME is the backbone of Indian economy. Out of our gross domestic product, majority of production and services goes from MSME sector. So keeping that as a very important objective of the whole mission of the whole fair we are doing is to boost and support and give a platform of MSME sector for a market exposure through a platform like Trade Fair. That is the basis of our endeavor.
So, the East Himalayan Trade Expo has started from 23rd of January. It's going to be continued till 29th January. So, what are your expectations?
Our expectations are that MSME sector, women entrepreneurs, self-help groups, and even some government departments have come. Like Government of Jharkhand has given a splendid display of the products they're bringing from Jharkhand, and from Trade Fair Authority of Haryana, the people from Haryana, they have come with the leather products, their glass toys, their different products. So the expectation is that the local people will get the flavor of India through this fair. This is first point. And second point, the sellers, the people who are in the stalls, they will get a market exposure. They will understand that where do they stand, like why my product is not getting sold, why the products from the other stall is getting sold. Trade fair gives you that idea that where do you stand, what is the capability of your product. So this is the basic two aspects of holding this event, and that is the expectation that this two ends match perfectly.
And how many stall has been set up?
175 stalls have been set up.
And could you tell us what kind of stall has been set up here? Varieties here?
Yes, the varieties are tremendous, I should say. You can get products from Assam. Like people will say, only Mikhola Chador and cane bamboo. No, Assam has variety of products. It's not only cane bamboo. One lady has come. She has taken space under Minister of MSME Guwahati office. She has brought a unique product which is handmade, made out of resin, which is for home decoration, but which is a unique endeavor of a woman entrepreneur. This is one aspect. Another I have seen that jewelry, it's on bamboo, unimaginable finish, but on that they have embedded stone, and which is looking like it has an international standard of the product. Like from Manipur has come the product, the bags have come, their unique way of weaving the product, those things have come. From Jharkhand, the many products have come. I will request the people of Guwahati to visit the stalls and feel the variety of India, and that is our strength basically.
The state Assam has been showcases or from different states as well.
Different states as well, from Assam and from different northeast like Manipur, Mizoram, and then 1-2 stalls from Nagaland, Haryana, as I told, Haryana, and then Jharkhand, and we have income tax department has come, which is basically a complete awareness generation scheme of Government of India. Janaushadhi, Prime Minister's Janaushadhi Yojana, they have come. They have come with their whole package of schemes and guidelines which Honorable Prime Minister Modi is hosting for the people of India. So we have just a wide variety of things to offer through our fair.
So this is the very first time that East Himalayan Agri Expo has been organized in Assam, in Guwahati. So what are your plannings?
Plannings that we not only B2C, that means business to consumer, not only the sellers who have come who will sell the product to the consumers, but they should sell the product to the business people. That means a matchmaking between a buyer and a seller. That is the ultimate goal of any trade fair. And ITPO bears that role to have a perfect match between the buyer and seller. We are happy to share this news that a small delegation is coming from the government side to have business tie-ups with the local sellers who have put up their stalls in this show.